Hi guys, this is me again, and so this is where we stop, and uh, I am entering 45 for my first textbooks and entering 78 for my second textbooks, and just we'll run it once again and check it again. Yeah, it's 47 and it's cleaning and 78 and it's 128 123. So as you can see in this area it says entering number 45 and entering number 78 and complete the script playback. So this is kind of just entering and playback. So now I'm going to do some kind of verification part inside this MonkeyTalk application. So as you can see in this area, this 123 is displaying on text the label on kind of a label, Android widget item. So what I'm going to do is I will add a new row and check what are the things available on this drop down list. So as you can see, there are so many things: images, inputs, scrolls, so many things, text area, and so many things. So what I want to do is I need to go to my application, my Android calculator application, and I am going to, this is my application. Inside my rest folder I am going to layout and main XML, and in there I have, this is my UI part. So these are my text boxes and this is my text area. So this text area is a text view. So this is edit text button and text view. So this is a text view. This is kind of a label. Okay, so at the moment I know there's a text view, so I'm going to go to this place and text view. I'm checking whether are there anything like text view, text area. No, nothing is there. So then what I'm going to do is the label is something like that. So my label ID is, if this is a label, my label ID text v1. So I am telling the monkey, I'm passing this ID to monkey ID, saying this is my monkey ID, the view text one. And what I am going to do is I am going to assert uh, verify, yeah, it's sorry, it's verify whether the count is 123 123. Let's say, because I don't know whether it's going to be run or not, because this is a label. I have to check it again. Okay, let's see. uh, okay, it's tapping on number 1 and entering 78 and tapping on bottom label text we verify 125. Oh god, I have put 125, and at the moment you can see it's verifying the text view one's value with the argument 125, but unfortunately it's having 123, but I am looking for 125. So it says label value verified value expected 125 but was 123. Okay, now I can see the MonkeyTalk ID has identified my label, which is in this area, as text v1, and it's a label the component name is label. So now I'm going to change this to 1 and save it, and I'll be running it again. So yeah, it's good, and tap on the button and label verify. Yeah, here you can see the display, you can see the label verified 123 and the completed script playback. Okay, so now my script is working fine with this kind of verifying actions. So as you can see, there are so many things that you can try, and you can do things like that. And so the next thing is, when you are uh, let's say we have kind of huge application, so there can be millions of millions lines like this. So in that case we need to manage those things. So I will show a small thing the way we can manage the things. What we can do is we can add another script here, and I will name it that I am going to select this thing and I am going to name it as ex2 and finish it. And on this component level, I am going to say append a row and component. This should be I'm checking. Yeah, script is there, and monkey ID is this one, exe1 ex1 dot empty. What I'm going to do is I am trying this ex1 script by using ex2 script. So this is how I'm going to do it. This I'm at the moment I am opening ex2 script, and I am calling ex1 script through this ex2 script. So in this action area, what I have to say is just run. So I'm going to save this all, and I'm opening the application. And is there any way to clear this area? Yeah, clear console, and I will be running this. Yeah, as you can see again, even though I am using this ex2 script, it's calling the ex1's parameters. So you can see the label verification is done and complete script playback. Okay, so things like this. So now we can invoke these ex1 things with ex2. So this is some more on MonkeyTalk. What you can do is you can create, let's say this ex1 is having thousands of lines and another ex3 is having another thousands of lines. But what you can do is simply without showing these things to the tester or the application automation engineer, you can simply create a one script just with a one line to invoke other scripts. So this is it. And let's say we'll try some other thing, something like data driven testing. uh, so stop.